Today I'm gonna explain how to do all those designs, mug designs, cap designs, t-shirt designs within one place. Everything free, you can do that. And the good thing is, after you do the design, and you can put your address or anyone's address you want to send it, and they will deliver. You need to pay only the printing cost and delivering cost. So in this method, you don't want to Canva premium subscriptions or any other software knowledge, any other softwares or tool subscriptions. Everything simple, and you need to go to this website. I'm using a Printful. Similar kind of website is a print on demand site. Similar kind of website you can find in the internet, like Printify or any other. So first you need to create a free account. So I already have account, but in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a free account. Click here to sign up and give necessary informations, like you can straight away create an account using Google, or you can go ahead without using any and just giving the email address. I'm gonna using Google. Now you need to give a name for your account name, so I'm gonna give a random name, and this is the email address, and you need to give your mobile number. It is optional, you don't want to do, just click on it, agree. After reading these terms and condition, I already read that many times, so click here to sign up. Once you click that, they will ask two questions. One is sell online and order for yourself. Click on it, sell online. In the future, if you think you need to sell online something, you can do that. And here you need to select most appropriate one. So I'm gonna click here to content creator. So do you have any online store? If you have Shopify or the WooCommerce or Etsy, you can say yes. I already had my original account. I already done it in-depth tutorial about this site. If you wanna see, you can watch that using the channel, but I'm here, I'm clicking no. And now you need to select which one you like. So I'm clicking here to I don't know yet, and just giving alright, this is your interface. Now what we need to do is we need to do the design. For that, you can click here to start designing, click here to create a new product. Now you need to select which type of design you will do. You do the t-shirt designing for the women's or men's, and the youths, that means the kids, and accessories like bottles, bags, and the shoes you can see here, and the mobile phone back covers and other stuff here. You can check that. I'm gonna do this design for the women's, the women clothing. Now you can see here the sizes and the prices here. It's mean the printing cost, actually it is not including the deliver cost, this is only the printing cost. Right, so I'm gonna select this one. Now the designing part, what we need to do is we can select the color. Actually the color means the t-shirt color. So if you put here the t-shirt, changing to the white color, so this shows which type of t-shirt colors you are printing. So I'm gonna use at the moment only one. So these are the sizes, so I'm not gonna make it double XL and triple XL. For do the designing, you need to click here to quick design, and you can see there are multiple elements. You can select any of these. For example, I'm gonna select, you can scroll down and see what type of designs is there, which is more relevant or good for you. So I'm gonna select this one, for example. Just click on it, and now you'll see here it will be appeared in the middle of the t-shirt, but it's the t-shirt color should be changed. For that, I'm gonna go to here, product, change to the white t-shirt. Now you can see here t-shirt with a white color, and I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. So if you want to type, you can use the text here, click on it, and you can type whatever the words here, and you can curve it here. So I'm not going to do that, you can do by yourself. So think now, this design already done it. If you want to do the backside design, that also you can do it, but I'm not gonna do. Same process you can do. One thing you can do is you can upload the designs, which means you already have a design what we did last time. So this is the dimension you need to upload. PNG transparent background. If any design what you done you in your computer, you can upload here. First you need to agree here and click on it, save it. So I'm not gonna do any backside designs, do only the front. You can do the inside label and outside label as well. So these are the other elements. So I'm gonna click here to save template. Alright, now you can see here in the mockup it shows with a dark color t-shirt. So if you want to change it only for the white color, go ahead and go to the t-shirts and remove this black color mark and click here to save again. So now you can see it only for the white color. So this is how you can do the design. But if you want to do the mockup or make the order, that means you like to have this t-shirt for you or someone, or you can send it, and just click it here to make as an order. Here is going with some promotions, and you can get this promotion. So what exactly is happening here, if you press here, then they will ask which address you want to deliver, and the how you can do the payment between the cards details. And once you do that, they will deliver these. So add to your cart. It's similar like e-commerce websites, so you can do this simply. And here also you can select which color you like. For example, if you think you don't want a white color, you can use it with a pink color, or you can use any other color with the sizes. And then you can click here to add to cart. I'm gonna click here white. So this is the price, and you can click here to continue to shipping. So once you do that, they will ask the address, which address they will send. Here's the details. You can go ahead and fill up your country name and the company, and here's the page. You need to do the shipping, and once you do the shippings, so then you will see the prices getting difference for your shipping address and shipping location. So this is how it you can do. And one thing I want to show you about the mockup, I'm gonna back here. So if you prefer to sell these t-shirts, for example, you like to do small business, you have a good fan base, or you will like to make a Facebook page or Instagram or the Pinterest, and you will try to promote using that, even the Google ads or whatever the way. So you need to have some mockups. Mockups mean like this kind of picture or the image that you can show your design. For that, you just want to click here and go down here, and here is download the mockups. So you can see number of mockups you can download, and it's so easy. And you don't want to have your own website, you can use this to anywhere. For example, I'm going to click here to download mockups. So then you will see a custom mockup mean you can make a customs. I'm going to using the basic mockups. Once you click on it, you will see the model wearing the t-shirts in different styles. You can select which mockup you want to download it, like this. And PNG format, that would be the best. And it's coming with a transparent background. And you can click here to download the mockups. So I'm gonna click here to download mockup. Okay, I'm gonna click here to download all. Then start to download the zip file, you need to unzip after that. Alright, it's already downloaded now. Here is the zip file, just open it. Here I already unzip it, so you can see the design in the front side. Actually we did it. Here's the design, so it's pretty good, and you can use this mockup to promote this product. In this way you can do multiple designs without any premium subscriptions with any other place, and you can download all the mockups free, and only you need to do the proper promotions, and then you will get the business. And you don't want to print out any t-shirts by your hand, and you don't want to deliver that. That's all doing by the print on demand site, really saving the time, and you have to focus only the do proper promotions. But if you really looking your own website, so leave a comment in the comment section. I will show you how to make a t-shirt selling e-commerce website. It's really simple and easy. There are two methods you can do, free method and the paid method. Both I can show you. So I hope this video helpful for you, and if you like the video, give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends, and also give a comment about the video and the content, and if you have any doubt in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you next video.